Y'all, so today we are going to be doing a no-bake mango cheesecake. For this, we've got some gelatin, we got some graham crackers, got some mangoes. You could use frozen mangoes if you want, but I got fresh. We got butter, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and some sugar. But before we get to making this cheesecake, we are on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so I threw one sleeve of our graham crackers in the food processor. We got about 1.5 cups of ground graham cracker. We're going to take half a cup of our melted butter. And we're just going to get this well mixed up. We have our springform pan. And go ahead, pour this mixture in here. Just go ahead and spread this out evenly, even layer. Kind of press it down. So once we have an even layer of compacted crust, we're going to just go ahead and throw this in the fridge. Alright y'all, so now we're just going to go ahead and prepare our mangoes. We're going to need about 2 cups of mango puree. But, like I said, you could use frozen if you want. I'm just going to simply take my chopped up mango, put it in the blender. And once we have a good puree, we're just going to go ahead and set this to the side. Now we got our 8-ounce package of cream cheese. It's been sitting out all day. It's soft. Once we've creamed our cream cheese up pretty good, and got it pretty smoothed out, we're going to drop in half a cup of sugar. We're going to go ahead and get that well mixed up. Now we're going to drop in half a tablespoon of our vanilla extract. Now we've gone ahead and taken out 1/4 cup of our mango puree for later. And then the rest of it we're going to dump in. Now once we got this well mixed up, we're going to take 1/4 cup of water and a tablespoon of our gelatin. And we're just going to go ahead and mix this up and let this bloom for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Now about 1 spoonful at a time, we're just going to take some of our cheesecake mixture. We're going to mix that in. We're just going to temper this. Then we're going to dump it all into our cheesecake mixture. And we're just going to give this a mix until we get soft peaks. Once we have our soft peaks, just go ahead and stop that. We're going to bring our cheesecake mix back. We're going to go ahead and dump our whipped cream that we just made in here. We just want to go ahead and get that mixed in. Now we're just going to bring in our pie crust that we made earlier. Our graham cracker crust, I meant to say. We're just going to evenly spread this out. We can just go ahead and tap this on the work surface to get any air bubbles up to the top. And then that 1/4 of a cup of puree that we saved earlier, we're just going to go ahead. You can make a design on the top of your cheesecake. Now we're just going to go ahead, throw this in the fridge overnight, and in the morning I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's the next day, and it's set up, and it's ready to go. A no-bake mango cheesecake. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.